Welcome to our next lesson in trigonometry. The first problem will take 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. So the answer suggestion is given 3. So see, okay, we can write this as 1 plus sin square A divided by cos square A. Whole thing divided by 1 minus 1 plus cot. 1 plus cot is just reverse. Cos square A divided by sin square A. Sin square A. Okay. For the next step, now this cos square take as a common factor here, sin square. So the numerator will become cos square A plus sin square A divided by cos square A. Whole thing divided by new denominator sin square A plus cos square A divided by sin square A. Now this cos square plus sin square, cos square theta plus sin square theta, or sin square theta plus cos square, this will become 1. So this we can cancel it. Actually, these two will become 1. So now the sin square theta, you take it to the denominator of the denominator, take it to the top, is equal to sin square A divided by cos square A is equal to tan square A. So this is the correct result. Tan square A. So in many problems, the answer suggestions gives you. So you have to bring it to a single. So you should try to do whatever the formulas you know already. Now you know cos square theta, sin square theta is equal to 1. In this case, both numerator get also same. It gets that without that also is getting cancelled here, both numerator and denominator. So next problem we will try. So different, see this sine, cos, cot, this all ratios are interrelated. So there will be some sort of cross relation. So next problem we'll try. Cosecant A minus cot A the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. We have to show that. So we'll try to take, see, cosecant is cos 1 by sin A minus. So this cot A we can write as cos A divided by sin A. This LHS is equal to, okay. This if you further solve, you can write it as sin A is common, top is 1 the whole square, because you write the whole square. 1 minus cos A divided by sin A the whole square. If we see this cos A, 1 minus cos A already you have got here. So we will remove the two parts this one and try to do the next portion is equal to. So 1 minus cos A will keep as it is. Multiplied by another 1 minus cos A divided by. So if we entire thing will take into bracket. So the next step is equal to 1 minus cos A will keep as it is. The denominator, this is sin A when it square sin square A. So then here 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A is 1 minus cos A square. The denominator is sin A square. That is sin square A. This 1, 2 should come here. So we have to show that 1 minus cos A divided by sin square A is equal to no 1 by 1 plus cos A. That we have to prove. In the second part, what we will do, see, we will see, we will write this. We will multiply and divide this by 1 plus cos A. We will multiply it and divide by 1 plus cos A. Okay. So this portion will remain. First portion will remain 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. Here sin square into 1 plus cos A. If you 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A is just like A plus B into A minus B. That will become 1 square minus cos square A divided by sin square A into 1 by 1 plus cos A. What is 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So these two will get cancelled. 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square. You can write one more step, these two will get cancelled. So we have proved is equal to 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos. Here you can write bracket 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A, or sin square A plus cos square is equal to 1. So the next problem, see, so we have to take care of the numerator or denominator. Denominator is try to, you know, make it a single factor so that, we can get the answer easily. Next problem, here cos A. So if we cross multiply, whether we will get the answer. Just see here, if you cross, we'll take common denominator. It's equal to, so cos A into cos A is cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square, 1 plus sin A whole square. This is LHS is divided by 1 plus sin A multiplied by cos A. So 1 plus, so we'll write next step, cos square A, if you have 1 plus sin A whole square, 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A multiplied by 4 cos A. Okay, next step, cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So this 1 plus 1 will become 2. Is equal to 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A multiplied by cos A. It's 2 plus 2 sin A here, 1 plus sin A. This is, if you, this you can write it as 2 in multiply by 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. This 1 plus sin A will get cancelled. 2 by cos A equal to 2 cos B today can write as secant A is equal to RHS, right hand side. In the previous problems we can write this is equal to RHS like that. So next problem. So what is the trigonometric identity? Now we know sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. Or cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosecant square A. Here some two factors are getting to 1. These such standard identities we have to remember. So first one we have seen already. Second one you can work it out. So if you write sin 1 plus sin square by cos square A, then you know if you take a common denominator cos square A plus sin square A divided by cos A, then there is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then this will become, this becomes cos square A plus sin square A divided by cos square A. So tan square A is equal to sin square A by cos square A. Then this is equal to sin square A cos square A is equal to 1. 1 by cos square A is equal to secant square A. Similarly, you can do the next problem also. Just reverse cosecant square A. When angle, in this case, you should remember the angle is less than 90. Theta is less than 90. So if theta is more than 90, the rule changes. Sometimes of plus it may, next quarter when it goes, sign may change. So to next problem. Show that 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. So this problem will do similar to the first problem. This LHS equal to 1 minus sin square A by cos square A divided by 1 plus sin square A by cos square A. Now this cos square A will become common factor. You will get cos square A minus sin square in the numerator. Cos square A minus sin square A divided by this whole thing divided by cos square A denominator cos square A plus sin square A divided by cos square A. This cos square both the denominators will get cancelled. This cos square plus sin square become 1. This is equal to 1. So the answer is simply cos square A minus sin square A. But how will get answer to 1 minus 2? No, cos square A, you try to remove it. Cos square A, we can write it as 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A. Because cos sin square A plus cos square is equal to 1. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So now this equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A is equal to RHS. Because cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So you take minus sin square both sides, then this become 1 minus sin square A. Cos square A will be equal to 1 minus sin square A. Next problem. In this trigonometry, if we repeat some problems, then we will know how to exactly go work. First, we are now trying to establish what are different types of relations possible. We can, suppose sine square is, you can convert into different angle, whatever you want. What is the requirement? What is the other angle? Next problem. 1 plus secant A divided by secant A is equal to sine square A divided by 1 minus cos A. 1 plus secant A means it is 1 plus 1 by cos A, the whole thing divided by secant A. Now we take common denominator. This is equal to cos A plus 1 divided by cos A, whole thing divided by secant A is 1 by cos A. Now this cos A will go is equal to cos A plus 1. We will multiply both sides by, we want 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So this is 1 plus cos A, here 1 minus cos A is equal to 1 minus cos square A divided by here denominator. That's what we want. Now 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square A, equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A, that is equal to RHS. So we have to find the factor for the denominator or numerator, and they want to prove we have 1 minus cos A. So multiply and divide by the denominator factor both sides. We'll get the answer. B. The manipulation. What is available information? Next problem. Square root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. No, just we will square both sides so that what is to do? 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A, the whole square. You can do this way also, square both sides. So in all such case, here 1 minus sin A, you make multiply and divide by 1 plus sin A. So denominator will go. Then how the we'll make it 1 plus sin A, the whole square. Let us equal to divide by 1 minus sin A multiplied by 1 plus sin A. It's like A plus B multiplied by A minus B. It will become 1 minus sine square e is equal to cos square e is equal to 1 plus sine e the whole square divided by cos square a. Next step, so we can go ahead with this and prove is equal to RHS or RHS he will take. This we can take. Now cos A, this we can write as 1 by secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. Here tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Now this we can write it as 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A the whole square. If you take cos A as common, it's equal to 1 plus sin A divided by cos A the whole square. So 1 plus sin A whole square written as it is cos A square if we take out is equal to, let us, this we can write as 1 plus sin A whole square divided by cos square A. So is equal to, so LHS is equal to RHS. So we are getting the same result. Next problem. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A is equal to tan A. Sin A minus 2 sin cube A. So we take, see this simple, this RHS, we'll take RHS is equal to sin A we take as common, sin A multiplied by 1 minus 2 sin square A divided by, here cos A we take cos A multiplied by 2 cos square A minus 1. So sin A by cos A we got answer. So whether 1 minus 2 sin square is equal to 2 cos square A minus A minus 1? Yes. Can write it as tan A. What is tan A? Sin A divided by cos A multiplied by, see, 1 minus 2 sin square. Suppose what is 1 is equal to sin square A plus cos square A. So one sign will go. So equal to sin square A plus cos square A minus 2 sin square A divided by denominator 2 cos square A minus sin square A plus cos square A is equal to tan A divided by sin square A. One sin square A will go, so cos square A minus sin square A will become cos square A minus sin square A numerator, denominator 2 cos square, sorry, this is got a bracket minus this one. Cos square A, this is also minus cos square, this become cos square A. So divided by cos square A minus sin square A. So this will get cancelled. Is equal to tan A is equal to RHS, right hand side. Next problem. So sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cos square A. We have to prove, show that. Okay, show that. So what we can go? The squaring is first is sin square A plus 1 by sin square A plus 2. What is 2? Just 2A below that. 2 multiplied by sin multiplied by cosecant. Sin cosecant become 1. Then become 2. Sin multiplied by cosecant is equal to 1. So that's like A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2AB is equal to 1. This is first portion. Next one here. Cos square A plus 1 by cos square A plus 2. Yes, what is cos into 2AB, 2 cos secant. Cos secant is equal to 1. So plus 2 again. So now you take sin square A. So what you got is all plus. So what about this one? This sin square A plus cos square A. Make it 1. Here you have got 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So totally 5 is equal to 5 plus 1 by sin square A plus 1 by cos square A. No, correct? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So plus other remaining two terms. So what is this problem? Out of 5 we got 7 already. Now we try to make out the other one. What is 1 plus tan square theta? So it's equal to, what is 1 plus tan square theta? So that we can tell. Now what we'll do is it's equal to 5 sin, instead of sin square A, you take it as cosecant square theta. Instead of cos, you say secant square theta. It's equal to 5 plus. What is cosecant square theta? We just recollect here. So trigonometric identities we have seen. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Cot square A angle plus 1 equal to cosecant square A. So now this formula will apply. Secant and cos square A, no? We have got here. So this is 1 plus cot square theta. Now cos square A, okay, sorry, this is here A, everybody take as A plus the secant square there 1 plus tan square a is equal to now 5 plus 1 plus equal to 7 plus cot square a plus sin square a. Cos square plus tan square is equal to right hand side. Hence proof. Here we are using 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These two we are using. These two formulas we are using. So if you are able to do this problem, we will remember now all the trigonometric ratios. Thank you. Please repeat the problem. These identities we have to remember so that we can apply wherever it's required. All the identities simple. We have to apply the identities and try to get the result. So these formulas we'll be using for different set of problems. Thank you.